In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cover photo to Facebook page. Alright, so I'm starting off by opening Facebook here, just letting everything load into the main screen. And once it's ready, I'm going to head straight into my Facebook page. So I just click on my profile and switch over to the page I want to edit. Once I'm on the page, I can see the top section where the cover area is, and that's exactly what we're going to work on. So I'm just looking for the option that says add cover photo, and once I see it, I click on that. Now as soon as I click it, I get a few options, and I'm going to choose upload photo. So I just tap that and it opens up my device file so I can pick an image for the cover. Alright, so now I'm browsing through my photos, just scrolling until I find the one I want to use. Once I spot it, I click on it, and then I'm going to press open. That loads the image into Facebook and brings it into the cover editor. Once that's done, the photo appears in the cover area, and now I can adjust it before finalizing it. So I'm just looking at how it fits on the page, making sure it looks good as a cover image. Now I'm going to drag the photo to reposition it. So I just click and hold, then move it slightly up or down, adjusting it so the most important part of the image is visible in the cover frame. You can move it around until it sits exactly how you want it. Once I'm happy with the positioning, I just leave it there and let Facebook save the changes automatically. Everything updates right away on the page, so the new cover photo is now visible to anyone who visits. And that's pretty much it. Your Facebook page now has a new cover photo added and positioned exactly the way you set it.